What's up, guys? So, I'm so very tired today because I went to SM City. Nangatumig SM City. Dayon, wala jud ka nang nangatumig SM City to watch BTS burn the stage. So, give-video na nako tanan. Wala siya na video tanan because we're not allowed to video kasi. So, just watch it and enjoy.
Wasted on me. Baby, why you not wasted on me? Wasted on me.
We're here na. Ay. Adong namin, manood namin. Oh my God. Excited. Okay, labang-labang namin. Bad news.
Saman.
Why?
Di ba na yung open? Check. Wait. Napay ticket na ito, no? Nakapa. Yeah. Oh, lupig ka lang kasi po. Oh,
Mano. Oh, mali.
my God, te. Te.
Hello, nakapas ko niya buhok, guys.
Oh.
We're here na. Oh my God. Asa ka dapitan ko ang dito. Oh my God, kanayo pa.
Bilo ko.
Walang TV. Ihos, bigay ko yung naman yung ari din rin.
Sa...
Ito na yung ari din rin. Mas gana ako sa sis.
I'm excited for the bonus stage.
Bonus stage.
Or sa beach. Batchui is. Dali sa... Palit lang kong ticket. Yata isa na yung pauban. Ano mo karta?
1,000.
Hello.
What?
Yo. Ayo. Ayo. Yo. Uy. Buing. Hello. Ayo. Muling sa sila. Oh.
Ano mo video eh? Excited
M.
Wala, IMAX. Pag IMAX na eh.
SM City here. Dara pala sa ticket na rin.
Baka mong mega na eh. Mana? Manata, mamangkan ang stage.
Fake lab! Pick lab. Kanto patuglit pa.
Lulit pa, eh.
It's done. She's here.
It's done.
It's done, yep. So we're gonna find our friend. Look, BTS! Kim Namjoon! We're quietly going home right now. Yeah, there's just too many people in a line. So we're gonna go find them and we're gonna go put them.
Oh my gosh.
We're quietly going home. We're gonna find.
Joey.
Yeah.
Where are you, Joey?
We're gonna find her.
Because she's eating. Oh my god.
And it's quietly finished. The Burnley was great. And it was cool. What are you gonna say? Saan mo sabihin? Lindot siya.
Ngunit kasi
Makain lang. Yeah, relate. Super
Relate tayo kay
So,
kanang taga-sayaw gay nila kay nagkahuman nila og sayaw kay mura sila ano takihon. Oh my god.
they've been like quietly tired every time they've been performing.
Pamaulan.
Yeah, they're good. We're good.
Pama yun.
They're quietly good. Let's go. Let's go find her.